excited to be here to talk about the Xcel Commercial Refrigeration Program and everything that it has to offer to you. I call it kind of a gateway program because it's really easy to participate with, and we provide kind of wingman type assistance for you to participate in this program. And I'll get a little more into that in a minute here. A quick program overview for the Commercial Refrigeration Program. Energy advisors that you might have met out at our booth out here will go out to your facility and walk the facility with you, reviewing your existing equipment that you have there. During that time, we'll discuss several energy efficiency options that you might have and that we should recommend that you would take advantage of the Xcel Energy rebates for. During the assessment, we also provide something really unique to Xcel Energy's programs, and that is the installation of low-cost energy savings measures. We call it direct installation, and I'll get into it in just a moment here. But again, the start-to-finish assistance with equipment upgrades. Now, what does that mean? It means working with you and your contractors to make sure that we're securing the rebates for you and quantifying energy savings that you might expect for your equipment upgrades. And we'll get into that a little more here in a minute. So I mentioned the direct installation of energy saving equipment. So what does this mean? If you have, for example, convenience stores or grocery stores that you're leading, or you might be an energy manager for, our energy advisors will go out on site and give you a real quick and easy way to save energy. And that's by installing LED screw-ins in some of your walk-in coolers or freezers, as well as some energy savings measures such as faucet aerators and bathroom aerators. And also providing what we refer to as coil cleaning for your standalone refrigeration units. We also leave kind of a brush that we'll use to clean that equipment behind on site for you to clean your coils every 6 months, or for some of your staff to keep those standalone units running efficiently. Now, we're working with a convenience chain here in Denver that has 17 locations. They approached us. They said, hey, you know, we're interested in this commercial refrigeration program. How do we get started? Well, we hooked them up with an energy advisor, somebody that, an Xcel representative that goes out on site with the customer. And we gave them an example. We did one facility, and we said, hey, this is the energy savings that you might see as the result of some of this direct installation that we do. But more importantly, let's look at your refrigeration equipment and how you could upgrade and take advantage of some of these Xcel Energy rebates. So we did it for one facility and got costs and everything from the contractor to upgrade their equipment. And now they're interested. The paybacks made sense. So within the next 2.5 weeks, our energy advisors visited the other 16 locations. So keep that in mind. You know, it's a great method to assess your refrigeration equipment. I gave it an example of a convenience store. Other customers that would benefit are grocery stores, cold storage warehouses, restaurant chains, essentially anybody with refrigeration or food service equipment. So again, I really encourage you to talk to some of the guys at our commercial refrigeration booth that were maybe making all the noise with some of the fans before. So after the direct installation and the initial site visit, we'll quantify what we put together into a report. And you can see in this report, Eric did a great job a few minutes ago talking about some of the efficiency as an investment viewpoint. So we'll quantify the energy savings for you based on some of the equipment upgrades that we recommend. In this case, the customer is likely to save about $2,800 for upgrading what we refer to as anti-sweat heater controls, EC fan motors, and EC fan motor controls. So your energy savings in combination with your rebate and the bid from your contractors, or heck, you could even do in-house labor if you have the resources. A lot of this work is just electrical work. So our report in combination with your contractor bid really gives you a good look at what you're going to be spending for the project. Again, these are the customers that benefit most: grocery chains, convenience chains, property management groups that have a variety of liquor stores or restaurants. We've worked with several in the past as well. So in a nutshell, this is the type of equipment that you can be eligible for through what we refer to as the prescriptive rebates. Refrigerated display cases, walk-in coolers and freezers, and you reach in multi-deck coolers. Night curtains, fans, fan motor controls, anti-sweat heater controls, all big energy savings for your facilities. So a couple technology spotlights. Not sure if that's showing up very well, but this is, your big, ugly evaporator fans that are in your walk-in coolers. This is simply replacing the motor that controls the fan or operates the fan in your box. You could get $70 per motor, for example, as an Xcel Energy rebate, and you're saving about $50 or $60 per year. Now keep in mind that this equipment only costs about $200 a piece to install, so you're looking at a payback of under 2 years there, right around 2 years. So again, a lot of this equipment, when applied across either a whole chain or liquor stores, convenience stores can have up to 15 or 20 evaporator motors. That energy savings really starts to add up. And also the display cases. If you feel the inside of the door, there's heaters inside of these doors to get rid of some of the condensation that forms when customers open and close the refrigerated case doors. So Xcel Energy is offering a real generous rebate of $60 per door that you're controlling these heaters. Now, think about that. Not only are you saving electricity there on the actual door, but it's like having a toaster in your refrigerator. You're heating up your refrigerator. It's very inefficient. So putting controls on those doors is a real easy and quick installation. Both of those technology highlights we kind of summarize over at the booth. We have some demo units. Come check them out. The energy advisors are ready to schedule assessments with you. If you have multiple facilities, like I suggested, maybe we go out to the first one, demonstrate the benefits of the program to that one, and then we could apply it to the rest of your chain or the rest of your facilities. Why should you participate? It's easy. Again, start to finish assistance, facilitating contractor bids. Eric had a great slide up here that showed an apple and an orange on the scale. Our energy advisors are here to make sure that you're evaluating two bids that are very comparable to one another. Because you all know, you ask one contractor for one thing, and he'll kind of go off the side on another couple upgrades. So we'll make sure that you're looking at apples to apples bids. All the equipment will be eligible for Xcel Energy rebates, so there's no surprises at the end of the project. Again, easy to participate, a gateway program. It's a great door opener. If you haven't participated in many other programs before, this one is very easy to get started with. Again, visit our program booth. We'd love to hear from you. After we provide the assessment, you're saving energy immediately with some of the direct install materials that we provide. So again, stop by, see the technology demonstrations, and we look forward to working with you.